Page number 27. I was horrified because some savages chased him, but the man outdistanced them and gained ground. Yes, Robinson Crusoe was surprised to see that those savages were chasing that man, but that man gave a big distance. He ran so fast. The creek came in his way. In his way, small river was there. He jumped in and swam across it. That savage jumped in that creek, in that river, and by swimming he crossed it. Two savages swam after him. The two savages who were following him, that prisoner, they also swam. I decided that now was the time to get me a companion. Now Robinson Crusoe decided that now it's the good time he can get one companion, one friend. I put myself between the chasers and the chased. Now Robinson Crusoe has came in between the chaser who was running after that prisoner. When they saw me, they were perhaps more frightened than I was. But as soon as they saw Robinson Crusoe, they were frightened that more than Robinson Crusoe. As Robinson Crusoe was also frightened, I advanced towards the two and struck one down. Robinson Crusoe ran toward these two people, two savages, and struck one. He fell down. I did not want to shoot. Robinson Crusoe didn't wanted to shoot them because if he will shoot, then other savages will listen to that gunshot. But when the second savage man rushed at me, but when the second savage who was running after that prisoner, he started rushing towards Robinson Crusoe also, I had to shoot him down. So it was obvious that Robinson Crusoe has to shoot. The prisoner, seeing both his enemies killed, stopped. When the prisoner saw that these both enemies were killed, he stopped running. I shouted to him. Robinson Crusoe called him and made signs to him to come forward and made some signs that he should come to his side. He came slowly and then knelt down. That prisoner came very slowly toward Robinson Crusoe and bent down. He kissed the ground and laid his head on the ground. We noted that savage whom I had struck down was not dead. Then both of them, they noted that they had the person to whom Robinson Crusoe has struck, he was not dead and had started to move. He was started moving. The savage whom I had saved borrowed my sword. The prisoner who was now saved, to whom Robinson Crusoe has saved, he had taken Robinson Crusoe's sword and killed him with only one blow. I comforted him. Robinson Crusoe gave him courage and he spoke some words to me, and he also spoke some words to Robinson Crusoe. They were the first sound of man's voice I had heard in 25 years. This was the first man's voice. After 25 years, Robinson Crusoe was listening. He scraped two holes in the sand and buried the two savages. That prisoner had made two big holes in the sand and buried those two savages to whom Robinson Crusoe and he had killed. I took him to another part of the island. Robinson Crusoe has taken that prisoner to the other part of that island where Robinson Crusoe was living, away from my cave, gave him bread and bunch of raisins to eat and also refreshed him with water. Robinson Crusoe has given him bread and bunch of raisins so that he can eat and made him fresh with water. I also provided him with a bed of straw and a blanket. Robinson Crusoe has given him a bed of straw, a bed which was made of dry grass, and also a blanket. He slept soundly there, then he slept soundly without any tension.